told I should come.
No nyote bungataba isagocha.
There are people who came to my home 8 a.m.
Abantu mbere bagenda bwoye saa 2 amambi.
telling me things are very bad. Come.
Ase igotacha.
But I've come, I found everybody is happy.
Kurendo chire gocho.
The people here. The people here who are making noise. Those people who want you to make noise. They have food in the house. Their wives are working. When you get injured or lose your life, is your family to suffer. If there are people who want to fight, if you have a problem with Simba, book a day with the chief of staff. Go to stadium. Invite us as fans. So we see you fighting him alone. If you win the war, we say you are won. If you hurt Simba, I will take him home and take care of him. But don't want to do anything because of other people. Let us don't harm innocent people. That's all I want to say, but now, majority leader. I didn't see him remove Erongoni. Amenda wapi? Speaker, can you Mheshimiwa
Murachanka iwachia. Naenda bunoro mutambe.
of yours emptied. Let me come.
Aya. Karuwa ne rongori ya uchire ko yuri.
I'm looking for the candidate for women rep called Evanine. Because she told me there's somebody want to be a second wife of governor. Now, Mheshimiwa Evanine,